Hey, hey, hey. What are today's messages and what do we need to see and hear today? Let's start with some cards and see what we get. Make a journal of your creative destiny, a very beautiful, intricate picture of your dreams. Be patient. Growth takes time. Just as plants grow slowly over time, so do you. Acknowledge your small progress and be patient with yourself. Growth is a gradual process. Peace comes from within. Focus on yourself. Peace isn't something you find out there, it's something you create in yourself. Don't worry about chasing after things or feeling anxious. Instead, focus on finding pure and joyful contentment within. Take a moment to breathe deeply, relax, and let that inner tranquility grow stronger. Learn every day. Learning never ends. Making a habit of continuous learning broadens knowledge, stimulates creativity, and promotes personal growth. And number 10. Learn every day. Prepare to dazzle your friends with random facts. Impress your boss with newfound knowledge and dominate trivia nights like a brainiac superhero. Cape optional. Reflections. How can you become a better role model? And think about that for a minute. Who were good role models for you growing up? Don't make assumptions. Be aware of unconscious assumptions. Assumptions are made so fast and unconsciously most of the time because we have agreements to communicate this way. We have agreed that it is not safe to ask questions. We have agreed that if people love us, they should know what we want or how we feel. #21. Let go of the past. It is time to envision a new story. Is it time to write a new book? A new chapter? Not everyone likes you. Ouch! Surely those people are just plain wrong and could be convinced to change their mind if you just had 5 minutes alone with them to make a persuasive argument. But do you really want to campaign for yourself when you already have people who know and see your worth and value? When you have a stack of books to read and a list of shows to watch? Let them go. Not everyone has good taste. Held, may you feel the ocean's caress. Alrighty, let's check out the messages in here. Perspective number 55. Sometimes a little rudeness to establish that you don't fancy nonsense is important. Perspective number 88. What happened to you growing up wasn't your fault, but how you deal with it and heal it is your responsibility. Perspective 12. You have 3 currencies: knowledge, time, and money. When you need one, use the other 2 to get it. I am thankful for the skills I've gained through every life experience. My experience and skills are valuable to this world. Pablo Picasso's perspective: the world doesn't make sense, so why should I paint pictures that do? Good point. Perspective number 77. Regulating your nervous system isn't just hacks and practices. It can be bird watching, sitting next to a pond, listening to the waves, or laying next to an old tree. Your body is programmed to be calmed by nature. Alrighty, thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.